The hardest part about real estate investing when you're starting out isn't buying the property. It's knowing whether that property is actually a good investment. And I found something that changes that. Most investors spend hundreds of hours researching before they buy. Markets, how much the rent can be, financing options. And even after all that, a lot of people still feel like they're guessing. They're not sure if they're going to make a mistake. That's what caught my attention about Lennar Investor Marketplace. It's designed to be a one-stop shop for discovering and growing a rental portfolio. And a lot of the research and the process is built into the platform itself. Real estate is a lot about picking the right market you're going to buy in, sometimes more than the property. You need demographic data, growth trends, rental demand, and school quality, especially if you're doing out-of-state investing like I am. Lennar Investor Marketplace brings all of that localized data together in one place. The second thing is that these are brand new construction homes that they offer. They're professionally built and pre-inspected, so you have no rehab costs, no contractor surprises, ready to start generating rental income from day one. And they come with features and properties that renters actually want, plus industry-leading warranties. That's great long-term value built right in. And then once you buy the property, investing has a lot more behind it. You need financing, insurance, title, property management. All of that used to mean piecing together your own team. With Lennar Investor Marketplace, you get built-in access to trusted partners backed by Lennar's vetted network. And whenever you're ready, you can make an offer directly inside the platform. Before you go create your free account, take a brief quiz. It asks you about your target markets and how many homes you're looking to purchase. It only takes a few minutes. Once you're in, you can browse brand new investor-ready homes across 90 plus markets nationwide, filtered by market, property type, and investment criteria. Every market comes with localized data, demographics, school quality, and rental demand, the kind of info that takes hours for you to compile on your own. At the property level, you've got projected returns, rental comps, and the data points that actually matter when you're evaluating a deal. And when you're ready to move forward, the platform connects you directly with financing, title, insurance, and property management partners. Everything's in there. And after years of owning rental properties and evaluating deals, Lennar Investor Marketplace puts all the data, homes, and services into one place. Whether you're buying your first investment property or adding to an existing portfolio, it's worth exploring. So head to Lennar Investor Marketplace using the link below, take the free quiz, and see what's available in your target markets. It only takes a few minutes to get started.